Welcome to Desai Academy of Class 8th, first chapter crop production and management. In our previous videos, we discussed that methods of traditional irrigations, right? So there are mainly four types will comes. One is a motor, another one is a chain pump, third one is a Dhekli, and fourth one is what a Rahat system. These are the four major traditional methods of irrigation used in ancient time, and also we discussed that what are the advantages of that traditional method and what are the disadvantages of traditional methods. We discussed in detailed or description manner. Okay, so you want these videos, means you can search in our playlist, you will got all the videos of this chapter, right? Next our topic will comes here, methods of modern days irrigations, right? So in a previous video discussed that, already I said that in a previous video discussed that traditional methods. Now we're discussing modern methods of irrigations and what are the uses of this and what are the disadvantage of this. Okay, right? Next, modern methods of irrigation help us to use water economically. What are the main advantage of this modern days irrigation method? Means the water can be used what more economically, most preciously, what used by the modern days technology. This is the main advantage of using what modern day technology. We can use irrigation in a proper economical way. The main methods used as okay, there are two types of methods is there. One is what one is a sprinkle system, another one is what a drip system. Okay, what are the two types of modern traditional irrigation method? Means one is a sprinkler method, another one is what a drip irrigation. So okay, one mark definitions or sometime in MCQ they will ask write the two types of modern day traditional methods of irrigation. Means you can write sprinkle system, another is what a drip system, another is what a drip system, and sprinkler system are the two modern days traditional modern days irrigation methods. Okay, we will study one by one. So first we will studying about a sprinkler system. Okay, this system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. Okay, it is morely where used, means where land is what uneven, it is not like flat surface. Sometimes it is what like a mountain, or sometime the surface should be very high, and after that it will be what flat, again it will high, again it will flat, again it will high. So what is the how land will be like this, like land, after that it is flat, after that is some small portion of high. Okay, like this uneven land is there. In that particular land, this sprinkler system is used very where uneven land is there. In that land, the sprinkle system is very used economically or efficiently, and the availability of water is also less in that particular area. In that area is used very useful. The perpendicular pipes are having rotating nozzle on the top are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. Okay, so like this the perpendicular line is joined, and they having what nozzles. These are called as what nozzles, and they will rotate. Okay, so in this figure explains very detailed and completely. So these are having what perpendicular line and passes through the field, and they having what nozzles. Okay, these are called as what nozzles will rotate, and the water will be dropped on the surrounding crops. So these are the methods, or these are the nozzles will provide the water to the each crop surrounding in it. Okay, so for example, these are the crops present around these nozzles or these pipelines. Okay, on the top of the pipeline we are the farmers or what placed a nozzles. That nozzle will be rotated and it will falls the water on surrounding crops. Okay, the crop will get the water and they will grow very easily. So this is the best method of irrigation, called as what sprinkle system, where land is what land is uneven. It is very useful in which land? The land which is uneven. In that particular area, sprinkler system is very useful, right? So next, when water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump. Okay, so from the well or a source of water, the water is coming from the source with the help of water high pressure motor. The motor will uh, uh, lift the water from the wells and draws to the water pipe with the help of water pressure pump. With the help of a pump, the water will be drained from the well and it will passes through the pipe, and pipe will passing through the water to the crop field with the help of water pump. Remember that. So it escapes from the rotating nozzles and it gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Sprinkle is very useful for lawns, coffee plantation and several other crops. Okay, so after the pressure exerted by the pump and water is passes through these pipes, and at the end the nozzle at the end of the nozzle the water will be fall like a rain on the crops, right? By the help of water pressure motor pressure, the water will be lifted through the pipes and passes through the pipes, and it will passing again to the nozzle, and nozzle will sprinkle water like rain form, and the plant will grow very easily. Again, where it exactly used or in the field means for the coffee lawns, coffee plantation and several other crops are developed by the help of water sprinkle system. Okay, remember that which type of crops are helped by the sprinkle system is we can write lawns, coffee plantation and several other crops are helped by the water sprinkle system. These are the advantage of water sprinkler system, right? What about the drip irrigation method, right? What are the drip irrigation method? Okay, next comes what? Drip irrigation system. So in this system the water falls drop by drop directly near the roots. Okay, so how the water will passing through the crops means drop by drop to the water individual crop. Okay, the drop by drop directly near to the roots, so the water is passing through the near to the roots of a plant, so it is called as what? Drip system. What is the drip system? 1 mark definition they may be asked. The water falls drop by drop directly near to the roots is called as what? Drip system. What drip system means? What? Drop by drop is water is passing or dropping near to the roots is called as a drip system. It is the best technique for watering fruits, plants, garden and trees. Where it is used? It is best for water fruit, plants, gardens and trees are the best methods to use a drip irrigation, right? Water is not wasted at all. Okay, why it is not wasted means the water is used as a drop by drop, correct? Drop by drop means no excess water is flowing through the pipes, so only drop by drop water is added to the water plants, so the plant grows very well. So and another important factor is that there is no water will be lost or wasted in this case of water drip system. So it is a boon in a region where our availability of water is poor. Boon means it is a water increases or it is some type of water miracle that much, so it can give the water in the area which does not having any kind of water availability. For it is very helpful where the land is barren, the water availability is what? Zero in that particular region, so this drip irrigation method is very helpful for the growth of plants like fruits, plants, garden and trees. Okay, these are the what modern days technology of drip irrigation. So modern day technology of irrigation system. One is what? Sprinkler system. Another one is what? Drip system. These are the most useful traditional most useful modern days modern days irrigation system in nowadays, because it is are more efficiently and economically well. But the difference is between modern and traditional method means modern days techniques are work more efficiently compared to the traditional method, but it requires a low low invest so sometime it will cost is high compared to the traditional method, but it does not require any laboring work. But traditional methods will require laboring work, but that will produce less efficient. This not require any labor work, but it can do more work or what efficiently. This is the major disadvantage of what traditional method and what modern days irrigation methods. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and families. Thank you.